Welcome to Stock Coney, your destination for the quickest Q2 results updates and financial breakdowns. Today, we are covering two key names in the Indian banking space. Indian Bank and South Indian Bank both have posted strong Q2 FY 2025 results. From double-digit profit growth to stable margins, let's look at how these banks performed quarter on quarter and year on year. Let's start with South Indian Bank, currently trading at 32 rupees and 90 paise, with a market capitalization of 8,614 crore rupees and a PE ratio of 6.4. For the quarter ended September 2025, sales stood at 2,407 crore rupees, up 2% year-on-year and 1.9% quarter-on-quarter. EBITDA was 1,555 crore rupees, growing 3% year-on-year and 16% quarter-on-quarter, reflecting better operational performance. Net profit rose to 351 crore rupees, up 8% year-on-year and 9% quarter-on-quarter. EPS improved to 1 rupee and 34 paise, compared to 1 rupee and 23 paise in June and 1 rupee and 24 paise last year, an 8% year-on-year and 9% quarter-on-quarter rise. Overall, South Indian Bank continues to deliver steady growth with improved efficiency and profitability. Now, moving on to Indian Bank, which trades around 772 rupees, with a market capitalization of 1.03 lakh rupees crore and a PE ratio of 8.8. For Q2 FY 2025, the results have been strong. Sales reached 16,628 crore rupees, up 8% year-on-year and 2% quarter-on-quarter. EBITDA came in at 11,520 crore rupees, showing 13% year-on-year growth and 1% quarter-on-quarter growth. Net profit increased sharply to 3,109 crore rupees, which is 11% higher year-on-year and 36% higher quarter-on-quarter. EPS rose to 23 rupees and 7 paise, compared to 16 rupees and 90 paise in June and 20 rupees and 79 paise last year, an 11% year-on-year and 36% quarter-on-quarter jump. Indian Bank has clearly delivered an outstanding quarter, with strong profitability and healthy margins. What's your view? Will Indian Bank continue to lead, or will South Indian Bank surprise in the next quarter? Share your thoughts in the comments below.